hear sweet destruction calling my name.
I will become the origin of new change.
Free all the day slaves while I bury the oppressors. Violence breeds more violence, that's my daughter, let me dress her. Name Vanessa, pull her out the dresser, slap on the suppressor. God bless her, though she has a temper, so you should not stress her. Let her hit him in the chest, penetrate the vest, hit her in the breast. Put him on a stretcher, now they flirting with death. They searching for every breath, yet every breath becomes less. Eyes rolling back.
So what's up, everybody? Dan 300 back on another video, man. I got my man. Introduce yourself, man.
Steven. Keep it simple.
What was your YouTube channel, man? You got a YouTube channel, man. Let it follow, man.
I do basketball vlogs. It's Alrighty Steven.
Alrighty, Steven.
Yeah.
Put it on. You want to spell it out? You want to spell it out?
Put it on there. Just put it on there.
Yeah, I'll put it on. Oh, okay, yeah. Alright, cool. So check out his channel, man. He makes basketball video. We all play basketball, so you know. Check out some of our highlights and stuff like that. But I'm just
follow me, subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe also. I mean, of course, man. And his brother was the one I made in the previous video of singing. He's the one who sings the trying to
music family,
niggas trying to come up, man. We're trying to come up, man. But anyways, we're just gonna do a little, reaction videos. I'm gonna let him drive. See what he thinks about it, man. So, all right, man. Fire the beast up, man. They sound good.
Okay.
Adjust the seat first, man. Make sure you. So that's it's a powered seats, man. So put it back. The right. You see this thing right here?
Yeah.
So push it forward.
Oh, forward. Okay.
Yeah, that's like that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Are you okay? Is it too low?
Can I get this back stuff forward?
Yeah, you can move it forward, man. So
there we go. That's good.
That's good. Are you good?
Yeah.
Comfy?
Woo!
Okay. Is the mirrors good? Everything's okay.
Let's make sure.
I see. Good. Is that who's going?
Wait. It's fine.
Alright. Anyways,
let me just pick the call.
I'm gonna pause this video. Sorry for that was a commercial break, man.
Trying to pick that call. Ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Oh.
Where we going?
So we're going to the car dealership. We're going to check out the car and see what they got. Because I just go this way. Yo, easy. Yeah.
The snow though.
Slow down this part, man. But yeah, I told you guys I wanted to start doing car reviews and stuff, so I want to go to the dealership. I can see what kind of cars they got. Yeah, that's a nice Daytona. Take a right here. Yeah, slow down. Just go. Keep going.
Go first, bro.
Okay, you brake too late, man. Make it right, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you brake way too late. Because you're already in the road, man. Take a right. Gun that shit.
That shit up? Bro. My heart, bro.
Man, it's kind of weird being on this side, man.
Right?
Alright, take a right on
That's how I feel every time, bro.
Why?
Every time you drive, that's how I feel.
I feel so not in control, man.
I know. Like you're leaving your body,
shit.
like literally.
You can just go.
Man, I'm scared.
Wait, just slow down.
Slow down, okay.
No, don't accelerate, just stay. I'm going downshift for you.
What?
I'm going downshift for you. I'll tell you when to go. Alright, gun it.
Bro, what if I have a heart attack on the steering, bro?
I don't die now.
You just panic, bro. You just be like, that's the end.
Alright, so just slow down.
Am I going left or right? I'm just going straight.
I'm going straight, yeah.
Okay. Man, so it's fast.
Just go straight. you think about it so far, man? What do you think, man?
Bro, I'm gonna drift, bro.
Hey, man, don't drift. Everybody trying to drift.
It's pretty dope, though. It is so dope. Like, if I have this car, like, I'll be on the road 24/7. Just cruising.
Okay, stop breaking early, man. You break too late, man.
I break too late, right?
Yeah, because you usually wait to the end and then you have to like step on it, man. Then like, so just stop breaking early, man.
Step on it, that one is like dying.
Because if you wait to the end and you just slam on me, man, it's like, okay. Because I'm not sure if you're stopping it up, man. So
That's why I drive, man.
yeah, you can't drive like that.
The way I started driving, like I
And
didn't.
he doesn't have his license. He still has his permit.
I didn't go to any professional like driving school.
I didn't go to no professional
got in the
driving
car,
school, too.
like started driving. That's the way I started driving. You know, I'm a pro now. You know.
I mean, you're better than most, man. You're better. So, you just the braking needs to work on.
Oh, yeah.
That will come over time.
Anytime I drive my friend's car, they're always like scared. And turn down the heat. It's too much. What's this guy doing? Did you see that?
What?
It was going like past the white line. This one dude.
What's your paying
I'm
attention?
scared, man.
Yeah, that's going straight. Like, turn. What's the fastest car you've ever been in, man?
Man, this is the fastest.
This is
bro.
the fastest?
For real.
This guy's not even that fast, though.
Really? I think I've been in a Mustang though, but I don't know the different.
You've driven a Mustang before?
Not driven, but like being in.
Who's Mustang?
My friends.
Here?
No, wait. I think here. I think it was like freshman year.
Alright, wait, slow down. You're coming too
I didn't really like know the guy, but like I got in this Monster and it was like,
Was it one of those Saudi guys?
no, it was white.
You're too close to this guy, man. You're too close.
Bro, I'm the one on the wheels, bro. Like
You're
I
so
got
close.
control.
I'm telling you, man, if you do that in your test, they're gonna feel you, man. You're too close to him, man.
Bro,
Because the reason why you don't want to be too close is that if he breaks all of a sudden, you don't have enough room to stop.
true.
And that way you're just gonna hit him, man. So
That way
I mean, not this far, man. It's so far, man. But
that way I'm going to press my brake too, like you know what I mean, like.
yeah, but if your brakes is not that good, man, most likely
True,
you'll just slam to
true.
it. So it's always good to give yourself enough room.
Especially when the light is red.
Yeah. So
But this guy's slow, man. Should I switch
yeah,
lanes?
that's the thing about them, man.
This guy's just too slow.
No, we have to take it right, man. So it's
Right now,
Not now.
Okay.
So,
Yeah. Well, guys, you know, this is fun. Get yourself a. What do you call cars like this?
man, it's just no, it's just on this list.
This one or the next one? This one.
And then you make a right there. Just follow this guy here. Just follow him. Yeah, this is just you know.
Like what engine? It's like V8 or
Oh
something.
yeah, it's a V8, man. It's
Okay.
a 5.7 V8. It has a 340 horsepower
Oof.
and 390 pound-feet torque.
I don't really know much about cars, but like when I hear like those high number of horsepower, it's like.
I mean, that is actually 340. Back then, that was, you know, that was actually the same car right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But back then, that was like, you know, okay, but now it's like cars these days are come with crazy amounts of power, man.
Like, what's the highest? Like, which is the fastest right now?
The fastest right now,
Yeah.
man, a lot of cars, man. Cars have 1,500 horsepower. Bugatti has 1,500 horsepower, man, something like that. So,
That's crazy, but those ones are so expensive, though.
man, that car's like 3 million or
Oof,
something.
it's a fortune, bro.
Yeah, man.
Those cars will be flying on the road.
Different cars, man.
But you can always upgrade your car, though. Like,
Yeah, you can make it fast, man. You know,
that's
you gotta talk about it. Man. You can put superchargers, turbo. You know, you can make anything fast these days, man. A lot of these cars these days, man, they come with turbochargers, man.
already.
So
Is that like the nitro stuff?
it's basically it's just a boost, man.
Okay.
It's like, so you know the way engines work, man.
Yeah.
Air and gas mixed together. You know,
Okay,
and
okay.
my kind of engine is just naturally aspirated. So basically, the way it means, what that means is like, okay, take it right here. What that means is like the amount of air that comes into the car is just like natural, like there's no forced anything. But with
Okay.
like turbos, you are using like some type of spinning device to force more air into the engine, man.
Okay.
So that way it makes more power. Yeah, man, it's
It's crazy.
a very interesting thing, man. But yeah, this is the dealership, man. I think let's keep going. Let's slow down. Right there.
sale.
Yeah, that's
That's $29,000.
Yeah.
That's not too bad.
the sport. Alright, guys, we're gonna walk around, man. Show y'all what they got, man. I don't think
I'll
there's a
show
lot
you.
right now.
Take you on the tour.
So far, man, what do you think about the?
It was a
the
great,
Hemi, man.
It was a great experience,
there,
you know. You know, if I had the money, I'll probably get mine. I'll probably get a Bugatti because
Bugatti,
like,
that 3 million though. 3
money.
million.
I mean, if I had the money, though. But even something like this is pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a GT. You know, we're about to make another video, man. I want to see what they got here. So
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys.
Check
you
out his
know.
channel, man,
Check
you
out my
know.
channel, you know, basketball
Subscribe,
videos. I'll be posting
like.
some videos in a few days.
So
Yeah,
smash that like button, man.
Smash that like button.
Smash it.
smash it.
All right, man. I'm out.